Congratulations, you've just been promoted. Hi, I'm Daniel McCrane. I help people get ready to take over key roles in their business. Today, I'm going to share with you what a first day success manual for managers might look like. If you like this video, opt in to get the whole series. In a moment, I'm going to tell you what a first day success manual for new managers might look like. Now, I strongly recommend that you get a notebook, a planner, or something of the sort that you can take notes in, that you can write in, and that you can keep on an ongoing basis. Even if it's going to be electronic, that's fine. So whether you want to use Evernote, OneNote, any other kind of note-taking ability, even if you used a Microsoft Word document, that would be perfectly fine too. Although I will tell you, there is research that supports handwritten notes to help with long-term retention and recollection. I'm a former teacher. I like to read a lot of research like this, and the research supports actually picking up a pen and taking some notes on pen and paper to help you with that long-term memory. So think of it this way. Just consider that you are going back to school, and you're going to school on your new job. This is what you're going to be learning about. So you're going to learn all about the business and everything from the standpoint of being in school, but your new job is the topic that you are studying. So take yourself back to school. What did you do when you were in school, when you were in college, going for that degree, or if you were studying hard, maybe you had one of those upper level high school classes that really required you to study hard. So whatever it is, think about the hardest class you've ever taken. What did you do to get through it? That's the kind of mindset you need to be in when you get into this new job. So treat this new job as if you're going back to school. All right, so you want a success manual for this new job? Well, here's how you're going to do it. When you have all of these meetings with new people, because you're a new person in this role, you're going to meet tons of new people. When you meet with them, ask them this important question. Ask them, what is their opinion of what it would take to be successful in your new role? Then take loads of notes on what they tell you. Ask lots of clarifying questions. Write down everything that they tell you. Make sure that you understand completely and perfectly what they're telling you. Look, you just created a success manual for yourself. Now here's the next thing. Do what they tell you to do. Follow the manual that they just gave you. Now here's another bonus thing that you can do in your success manual that'll help you be more successful your first time as a new leader or a new manager. Find some space in that notebook that you have and journal about what you learned that day. Write down everything that you learned that day. Who did you talk to? What department are they in? What's their role? What did they tell you? Take the time to actually, from memory, try to write what you learned that day, and also write what that means to you. Now, again, research tells us that taking the time to reflect on things that you learn is what's necessary to move that information from short-term memory into long-term memory. It's that reflection period that causes new learning to actually sink in and to go deep and to last for a long time. So those are the two parts to your success manual. Ask everyone what they think it takes to be successful, and take the time to reflect on what you learn. Now, in the next video, I'm going to tell you what to do in the first week as a new manager. And remember, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and make sure you click that bell to be notified every time I add a new video. And also opt in to get the whole series delivered directly to your inbox. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.